So today I'm doing a collaboration with a company called Madame Glam. Now they reached out to me some time ago, and I'm just not doing the video because we had to get a new lamp. But here we are. Now this is their premium products, vegan and cruelty free and 21 free. Also, what comes in the box is the UV LED lamp, the base and top coat, and 5 colors that I chose. Now I chose the Grand Canyon, which is the red, and the Deep Emerald, the Play Dead, which is the mauve color, and also the Deep Emerald, which is green, the Reset, which is gray, and also the Blue Monday, which is in blue. Now we're gonna be talking, about a few topics. We had already done her first hand, this is Crystal and this is Sandy. This is my coworkers. So we're going to be talking about a few topics. Let's talk about memories of 2022. Any good memories or bad memories?
All my memories are pretty good. I don't have anything bad. I started a new job, which is where I met you ladies. I'm actually liking it a lot more than I thought I would.
I know it's me.
It is. Everything else has been, pretty much the same. I live a boring life, I think. Oh, actually, I met someone. Personal relationship.
Yes.
So that's a positive.
Woohoo!
We'll see if it carries over.
I think it's going to be fine. I really do.
Yep.
And what do you feel? Like your 2022 for this year, what do you have? You feel like good or bad?
Well, I think it's going good. Family-wise, no real relationship so far, but family-wise is good. But I got nothing really exciting, but it's no. Memories are good.
Okay, so 2022, I enjoyed 2022. Of course, I didn't have a nurse for 2022 in the beginning, and that's when I met Crystal. So glad. I'm a medical assistant, and she's a nurse and my doctor, so we make a great team, and I'm so blessed that I have met her, and I'm so blessed that they lift our mask at our job. Oh my goodness.
The best memory ever.
Huge for me. But that can be a good and bad thing. But overall, it's getting better. So I guess the next question is, what is your New Year's resolution for 2023?
I know it's everybody's, but I'm trying to get more fit, drop some weight, and healthier, of course, and save money.
Yes, that's huge for me.
Yeah.
Same thing, save money. Save money, improve my YouTube channel. I'm going to do things differently this year. I'm going to be wearing different brands as far as clothing is concerned. I just want my viewers to enjoy my channel, and I love to entertain, and hopefully that come across. But I want to improve my YouTube channel. What about you?
I think fitness is one, not necessarily like to lose weight, but just to be more active. I have 2 boys, so they keep me on my toes, and 2022 I did have COVID the end of last year, so that really knocked me off of working out and everything, and it's been hard to bounce back from that. So that's my goal, to refocus there. And I think grow as a nurse. There's some other things I want to do, not leave Shaniqua
Okay.
or my doctor, but just some things that I think I can add on to my resume and maybe use to make some extra money, and that'll go along with saving money.
I agree. the same with me, health as well. I would like to lose, and I would like to make better eating choices. I know sometimes, and I have tried, and trust me, when I go to work, it's when I get home with my husband. He likes to eat pizza, 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 and more pizza. So, baby, what are your goals?
To get fit and lit, and to become a crypto millionaire.
Oh, and what was 2022? Did you have any good, any good memories in 2022?
I mean, job-wise was good. I got a promotion at work, so that was a good thing. So just started the new job recently. Got a blood clot, which was scary.
Yes,
Never
you did.
had anything like that in my life. And we got a new dog early in the year, which has become a big part of the family.
Very much so.
And then one of my daughters is potentially going to be getting married in the next couple of months.
And don't forget your grandbaby.
Oh yeah, and then my first biological grandchild.
Yeah. So good memories.
awesome.
Good memories. Okay. So are you guys going to be planning a trip this year?
Yes. Hopefully many trips. I haven't thought about where yet, but my goal is to take mini trips on the weekends, girl trips, family trips, take my boys somewhere, just spend some, just do many things.
So one of the questions that Crystal asked my husband, what was the question that you asked my husband earlier? About YouTube, male subscribers.
Oh, so being a YouTube channel, being female, you get a lot of likes or comments. A lot of your viewers are male. And so I was just curious as to how you feel when you read comments, and sometimes comments can be very out there. How does that make you feel, or how do you respond to that? Or
Yeah, well, I mean, I guess two things. Number one, I completely trust my wife, so that's the first. That makes it easier. And the other one is, things that are in YouTube stay in YouTube. So, as long as things don't become like personal friendships and things like that outside of YouTube, then I'm fine with it.
See, so I've been asked that question several times. I love my husband. I've been with him for a while now. So starting all over is not in my book at all. So any other questions that you guys like to ask or answer or from one another?
no, I don't have any.
No?
I want to go to a beach next year.
Do you
Like
really?
a really nice beach.
What beach?
I don't care. Just not
Not
Corpus
Corpus
or
Christi.
Galveston.
I
yeah.
know. I don't
Like an
I don't
actual
like-
nice Caribbean beach somewhere.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
Cayman Islands or something.
I would love to go to Jamaica.
Jamaica.
So
me
where would you
crazy.
like to? Where would you like to go?
So I really want to go to maybe start out take girls trip maybe to like Cancun, Hawaii. Well, not girls trip. Well, somewhere maybe Hawaii. Then I
But you
wanna
gotta keep in mind we all work together, so
Yeah, but
Yeah.
but see, a Cancun
Yeah,
trip would be weekends.
Yeah, weekend trip. Yeah.
But I'm talking about like even with the boys taking them to Hawaii, because Hawaii is like that's gotta be like a week
But
thing.
that's really expensive.
Yeah.
Hawaii is
And I would
really
save some money
expensive.
for that, and
Yeah.
then, and I heard that it's more a relaxing trip. There's not, so I would do something like that. I think I need something like that to.
Things are
relax.
expensive, but I think it's important. You have to save and you have to do
Mhm.
things like that because you create memories.
Yeah.
And and sometimes like with me, sometimes it's like, this is, oh my gosh, get in the car, we're gonna miss our flight, we're gonna do this. But
Yeah.
then thinking about it, it's like, man, it was so hard to get everybody and all our stuff to
Yeah.
the destination. But that's what you look back on and you laugh about or you remember. And I think it's important. My
Yeah.
son, that's one thing for his birthdays. He's 11, my oldest. I told him, well, instead of spending on a birthday party or buying you things, I'll take you on a trip.
Right.
And so his first trip, which his birthday will come up in April, he wants to go to Japan. So I was like, that's fine. It's fun. It's good for he and I to have that time
Yeah.
together and experience different things, and because I'd like to show him there's more than just this little world.
I agree.
But you know what I would like to plan for New Year's next year, because I've never done this and I've always wanted to do it, is go to New York and watch the ball drop.
You know, people wear diapers to stand out there.
No, I would want to
Because
get
you lose your spot.
I want to get a hotel like right there. I know it's going to be expensive, but I think it would be so much fun to do that.
You might have to book that now
Now.
for
Yeah.
next New Year's.
I know, but I just think that
Well,
would
next
be so
New Year's,
awesome.
I don't have my kids, so.
So I would have to start looking into that, but I think that would be so awesome to just do that and experience. I want to stay after that, because if you see all the trash that people have to pick up, it's
I
crazy.
I agree. Okay, so this is the UV lamp. Just wanted to show you guys that. I will leave all the pricing down in the description box, and also the links to the name of the gel nails, the gel polish. I'm sorry, you guys. So I will leave all the link down in the description box. She's gonna go ahead and hold it up. I will leave all the links down in the description box, including the prices and also the link to the website. Once again, you guys, thank you so very much. Thank you, Crystal. Thank you, Sandy. And you want to hold it up?
Jazz hands.
All right, you guys. See you again. Bye. All right, sweetie. So before we go, I wanted to tell you what also comes in the box. So what comes in the box, Crystal?
So in the set, you got your 5 colors. You got a top coat and a base coat. And then you also get this gel polish remover, which you apply a thick coat of polish of the remover over the nail, and you cure it with a UV lamp, and then you're able to just peel off the gel polish, which I thought was pretty neat, because if you've gone to the salon and done your nails, which I've done gel, dip, and acrylic, sometimes the soak off process is, you have to sit there with the little foil and things like that. So this is pretty convenient for home use. The whole process to do it, we did a base coat, we cured it. It's automatically set for the timer. Usually it's 60, 90 seconds. Then you add your top coat, your color, you cure it. You add another color coat, cure it again, and then you do the top coat, which is clear. And then it's pretty set, it's pretty dry. You can do whatever you want after that.
Do you like it? Would you recommend this to anyone else?
I would. For the prices and looking at their website, it's pretty inexpensive. If you go to the salon, you pay for the manicure plus an extra, I think it's like $20 for gel and it's more for dip, but for gel, I think it's like roughly $20. So you do get your money's worth. You can, change your color. I know that's a thing. Like if you get it done at the salon, you're stuck with it for about 2 weeks. If you're like myself, I usually go every 2 weeks. But this is good because then you can change it up. Because sometimes I like, Shaniqua asked me about the colors, and these are what I picked just because like fall, you kind of have a blue and a green. The color I have, I think it's just a nice color.
It is. It's beautiful.
And the red, you can never go wrong with the classic red. That's good all year round. And then they also provided you with the oil that you can put over. Once you remove the polish, you put the oil on like nightly and just kind of massage it in just to moisturize your cuticles. So you get a lot of little things, and then
Show them the box that it comes in.
so it'll be a kit like this, and then it'll have everything inside. And the UV lamp, it's small, portable. You can take it anywhere. If you wanted to go out of town, take your lamp and just the base top coat and pick your color you want to change to.
It's awesome. I think it's nice as well. So thank you very much, you guys. All right, I just wanted to come back and show you guys that. All right, sweetie, so the next collaboration is with a company called Greyt, Greyt. Now, I'm going to be showing you a headband wig, but let me show you what it comes in. It comes packaged in this box. I love the face and the logo, and it's in a mauve color. Really cute. So I'm going to take the top off. It does have a bag that it came in, and you seal it. I like that. And it also comes with a pamphlet to tell you exactly how to install the wig. and also combs. Love that. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you the name of the wig. It's called the Greyt Coily Human Hair Headband Wigs. You can get this at $259.90. I will let you guys know all their headband wigs and their hair pieces is 100% human hair. Now, in the inside of this headband wigs, you have 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And also it has a strap in the back so you can make sure that it's tightened. And also the straps that has Velcro. Now look at this hair. It is just gorgeous. Beautiful curls. And I just can't haul away. Now you do have a little bit fall out. And I was so glad that they reached out to me because I know it's a lot of women that's transitioning. And I know it can be hard sometimes to transition to, you know, salt and pepper look. So with that said, let's go ahead and try it on. Alright, sweetie, so here's the headband wig. Now, I would like to let you guys know that the cap comes in medium and also small, and this is a 60-inch. So look at the curls. It is insane. Now, if you want much more volume, all you have to do is get a comb and tease it out, and it can get a little bit bigger. Now, look at that. It just is gorgeous. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side a little bit so you guys can see the curls. Other side. I'm going to turn all the way to the side. To the back so you guys can see the length. It is gorgeous. The curls are gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and come up. All right, you guys. So I just want to thank Miss Greyt, the company, for sending me this headband wig. Thank you so very much. It is gorgeous. I will leave that link and also the prices to this wig. All right, you guys. Bye.